Natuwa ako dito sa caption kasi how to have a lasting relationship. Ang sabi ko yung pera ko, pera ni Mrs. Diba? What's mine is hers. What's hers is mine. So, may nag-comment, if you know this, Carlos, alam mo, you really have a happy relationship. If the man, which is me, makes 60K, example lang to and Mrs. makes 40K, your total income is not 100K. It's only 60K. Gets kita. Ibig sabihin nun yung 40K savings ni Mrs. ta 60K gastos ko. Siyempre bilang lalaki, lahat naman kami. Well, I speak for myself. Yung ibang lalaki dyan, ako, as much as possible, aangkinin ko lahat ng gastos. At kung kaya ko lahat ng hirap at pagod, aangkinin ko. Gusto ko princess ang asawa ko. Joke ko nga siya dun sa Jeep Wrangler niya eh. Di ba, sa'yo na nakapangalan niya. Dapat ako naman yung princess. Ako naman pag-drive mo. Medyo natatakot pa siya eh. Kasi nga bago, tsaka medyo may kamahalan. So, hopefully, pag at home na siya, at ease siya na yung mag-drive. Tama kayo, mali ako, Metro Doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy, guys.